good afternoon to everyone. My name is Jyoti Bhoer from Sanskar Dhanpit Samudrapur, and today we are going to take some brief information about this audio visual digital interactive panel board. Now today we are going to take the information about how this digital interactive panel board working, as well as whatever the uses and how it is beneficial to the while teaching to the student. So let's start the information about the digital interactive panel board. So first we are going to start our whiteboard. So this is our main home screen. So in that the main home screen there are given the number of the tools as well as number of the keys given into the left side, right side, as well as in a given the bottom. So first we take a little bit information about what is the hardware of that the audio visual digital interactive panel board. So whatever you have to look out whatever the screen. So this is the 75-inch panel board. That the second thing is that is the 4 mm tough glass, which is not easily the damageable. Then the second thing is whatever the Android system, that the 11.0 that is known as the Android operating systems are related to. At a time the number of the people can write down in a same manner, means that the lagging issue is not related to this panel board. So now we just this is all about the hardware information. Now we look out how this audio visual digital interactive panel board we use our day-to-day teaching method. So just look out, for example, there is a given the number of the keys, number of the tools, number of the functions. So the some functions are given into the left side, some functions are given into the right side, some functions given into the bottom of the screen. And if we wanted to use the internet while teaching, so there is a given the above option of the screen, the upper portion of the screen there is a given the some keys. By the using that keys we start the internet connectivity with related to that the digital panel board. Okay, so let's start. So how first we learn about, let's start how the whatever the tools given into the bottom, how to use that the bottom. So according to that there is a given the number of the options into the bottom of the screen, but that is the little bit whatever the tools we are using into the daily teaching. So that is for example basically main features we are going to think about. There is a given the pen, so that is a first, this is known as the dual pen. How we use this dual pen? For example, there is given the option. So first we tap on the pen, then after we have to select, there are given the number of the colors. So if you wanted to increase or the decrease the length of the pen as per your consideration, if you wanted to increase the length of the pen, so you also increase. If you wanted to decrease, so decrease. Then which color you want to choose? For example, I choose red color. Then after I write down, for example, that is the name of the school, Sanskar Dhanpit. Okay, so I wrote down, for example, by the second tools we using, that is the clean all. So that is the benefit. So there are then given the number of the pencil, which pencil you want. So just you have to tap on a one pencil, then select that pencil and you draw the whatever you want to the main the home screen. So once again we have to clean that. Then second, for example, if you are related to the mathematical teacher, you teach to the student algebra as well as the geometry. So there are the number of the tools given which is using into the math subject. For example, in a mathematical subject there is a using of the scale. So there is a given the already scales or the whatever the instruments are related to the mathematical, that is also given into that home main screen. Then apart from that there is a given the next option, that is the table. So if you wanted to, there is a given the one option, that is also we insert the table, whatever the table means. If you are giving if you learn the number to the students or teach the number to the student, so there is a given the table. So we have to, if there is a given one click, if we insert, so in this way we insert the table. So once again how we write down, just tap on the pen, select the color of select any color of the pen and then write down the number, for example 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way you can write down the number. That is the benefit of this insert. Then the second, for example, once again that is the new feature, that is the mind map. Now let's look out what is the benefit of this mind maps tool. For example, if we are belong to the subject that is the social science as well as the science, So there is a need of the T diagram. So by this mind map, we given the T idea of the student of the T diagram. So for example, if you wanted to increase, so once again there is this increase. If you wanted to delete all the options, so there is given the option. If you wanted to increase in this way, so once again there is a increase into the mind map. So means that mind map gives us the idea about the how to draw the T diagram. For example, if we reduce, so once again we have to click on the minus, then it is also the reduce. So once again it is a mind map. So once again we have to click insert, we have to click once again, just once again. So in this way there will be increase the using the mind map. For example, now how to use this mind map? Once again come on the pen, write down the, take the, choose any single pen, then once again you have to write down. For example, if I write down, here is the India, so that is already given, so put in this way. Then apart from that I write down something. For example, here is related to the north, then if I write down, here is the south, then I write down that is the east, or once again write down the west. So in this way there is a given already the mind map given into the interactive digital panel board. So once again we tap on the clean all, so that is the benefit of the mind map.